Valentine's bag, treat bag. And so here I am with vellum cut 6 by 8.5. I scored at 2 and 5 3/4, and then again at 1/2 inch on the long side. Cut off those two edges, mitered it, and now I am stamping some little hearts over the area that's going to be showing. I did use an anti-static powder tool, and now I am using my Red MBoss embossing powder. Those that have been here for a while know that I do move my powders out of the little bags into clear containers. And here I am warming that up. Nice. And so now I am taking my VersaMark and adding that red again so that I can continue on with the rest of my project. I just love watching embossing powder melt, don't you? And so now I'm going to bring in the shadow for my Happy Valentine's die, run that through my Gemini, and now peel that off. I ran it through again with the words Happy Valentine's Day so that I can get this exactly the way I wanted. So now just picking out all those little pieces, I'm going to bring in my tag that I used, make sure I get it at the right space, and now make the fold line on that. Bring in my on point glue and run it all around this die cut so that I can get it affixed down. And there we go. And I am going to now push out all the pieces. There's my tweezers. Get that pasted down there. I'm going to throw a block on it and let that sit. There we go. Get that all exactly how it needs to be. And then I'm going to put some on point glue around so that I could put all the little pieces that go in the A's and the P's. I don't know what those pieces are. I don't know what they're called. I know they're tittles if it's the dot above the I, but I don't know about the rest of it. Either way, punching out all the little pieces. I'm going to put them now in their spaces. And then I will pull in my tear-it tape. Yes, I know I've sped this up. I did speed it up to 4 times the speed of making this video because I know your time is valuable, and so I like making sure that my project is complete in a time that you're able to watch it. So here we go now using my tear-it tape and get that all folded over. And there is my little bag. I'm going to put some candies in there. Ended up pulling out more candies than I wanted to and created a little hole in the side of my bag. Added another piece of tear-it tape to fix that on the inside. Added some tear-it tape on the tag. As you see, fold that over and my project is complete. There you go. Have a happy day.